Hi, my name is Maeven Eller-Five and I'm a practitioner at Mystic Elements. I read palms and I mostly do tarot cards. People really like tarot. So I offer a workshop every month that is called Magick Circles, Walking the Old Path. And every month we pick a topic. This month's topic is going to be fairies. We're going to cover the entire realm of fae. And part of what happens in these workshops that I host, we have portion of the evening is divination, and this time it's going to be tea leaves. So I want you all to bring your favorite teacup. You know, keep it in proportion. This is a traditional teacup. This is an antique tea leaf cup that I've had for some time. It's very pretty, but we're not going to use this. This is more for looking than doing. But we are going to bring in our own teacups and be fancy smancy and make hot tea. And as we go through the other portions of the evening, the discussion portion about the fae, then you drink your tea, and afterwards we'll read your tea leaves. Then we're going to do one of the favorite parts of the night is the meditation. I have for a long time been doing a meditation series that happens at the beach in the castle. There's a healing beach, but most of the rituals and evenings end up in the castle meditation. Well, this time, out past the castle, there are various other meditations that go along in this series, and one of them is going to the fairyland. And so I'd like you to, be prepared. We're going to take a meditation, take it out the back where you're used to being in the castle and at the beach, take you on down the path where you get to meet the Queen of the Fae and interact with them in their own habitat. It's always a really good time. So circle with Morgan Le Fay. Meditation. We're going to go to fairyland. Our discussion is going to be about the fae, and we are going to do divination by reading tea leaves. So if that all sounds good to you, which I'm sure it does, you're going to want to come out and try out this workshop. So it's April 13th from 6 to 8. So please register for the class in advance if you can. You'll find that on Mystic Elements at the workshop function on the website. You can go in onto the 13th and go ahead and just register your name. I'm going to invite you all out. I hope you're having a great spring, and I wish you good.